I like to drive around. I kind of like the little memory when I drive what I see. So I went ahead and ordered this product off of Amazon. Got the cord right here. Goes right to a little adapter. Easy little plug-in. And I already put a little card in for 32 memory. And we got our power right here. I don't know if you can see. We got a little power right here. Got our menu. Got a record button right here. As soon as the car turns on, it's going to start recording, so you can turn it on. And you see those numbers, I mean it's recording right now. Turn it again, turn it back off. And we got our menu right here. Got our resolution, exposure, auto recording, the number plate, video link, parking mode, etc., etc. So we're gonna go back to menu to go back. I'm gonna do it again, and we got our mode button right here. See those displays kind of disappeared. Press it again. We got our event. We got a video to record when we're driving, and we got a photo. We can take a photo. We're gonna go back to menu. Actually, no, we're gonna press mode again, and we're back to regular menu again. The power button's right here. You're just gonna press the turn it back off, turn it back on, and it mounts right on your windshield. Easy to take off. Will not leave a mark, of course. And let's see what else we got here. But yeah, these right here, these are all your displays. Very clear picture. That's why I like it so much. And you can find this Lloyd product on Amazon.